On this Blender tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can smooth drying strokes. One time while I was learning Blender, I just want to smooth some of the strokes. I drew here some strokes here just for the sake of this video, so I can demonstrate to you how can I smooth strokes. And I didn't know how to smooth my strokes, so I had to watch videos that were very long. So I decided in this video to create a very straight to the point and easy and short tutorial to give you the solution. So what you have to do is, after you have here, you draw your strokes, and then what you have to do to smooth the strokes is to go to sculpt mode, and here we have this smooth strokes points, and you can increase the radius from here. As you can see, you can smooth in, and we can smooth the strokes. And if you also press F to increase the radius, and now look how can I smooth all the strokes here. They're all smooth, right? And if you want, let's say here, you go to edit mode, and you have, let's say, this strokes. If you don't have enough strokes, let's say it's like this. There's if you click here simplify, now there are less strokes. Now it's not really gonna be really hard, but it's still smooth. But if you want now, let's say, to grab and crease this, if you go to smooth, now it's not gonna smooth it correctly. It's because you need to add more points, more vertices, more points, so you can work with. So if you go now back and you press to here in stroke, and you subdivide, and now if you go back to smooth, now you can smooth this really nicely. So yeah, this is really nice. I really hope this tutorial helped you and saved your time, because that's the goal of my tutorials, save your time. So if you guys learned something, make sure you watch, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave a like. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and take care.